You're like the best friends now, aren't you?
Yeah. There you go.
He's got smaller guys than my eyes.
He has got smaller eyes than your eyes. Yeah.
Yeah.
But he can still see all your nuts with them.
He can see nuts from miles away.
Yeah.
That's his thing. What's your favorite fruit,
Oh look, he's
Ella
going to
May?
eat that one and then use the hand to get the...
Ooh.
So that's greedy, Diego. So you have one in your beak and one in your claw. Oh, that's a good one, wasn't it? Is that better than the almond?
Yeah.
No, almond's better, apparently. Does he eat dry fruit?
Sometimes. He likes...
Prefers the nuts to the fruits.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, he's going to see what else there is that he might be able to have. Diego,
Diego,
you're
you
a
can
cheeky
have-
boy.
Yeah.
Cheeky Diego. I don't think he's going to like that else. No.
No.
Isn't he cheeky? When he doesn't like it, just spit it on the floor.
It's a bit like you, Ella
Don't put
May.
it back in the bowl. Don't put it back in the bowl or anything. Well, I suppose that would be quite gross.
Do you remember you and broccoli? You just toss it on the floor and then you try to convince me that you've eaten it.
He likes gas again. Sometimes I give it to him.
Yeah. I know. That's right. You guys have got the same afternoon tea, haven't you?
Yeah.
He doesn't need another one yet. Oh.
It's okay, it's just a little...
Alright, she was just coughing. Oh, he was a little unsure about your cough there. He said, oh, what?